Hello everybody, this is the Twittelator showing you Twittelator Pro. Well, the first thing you might notice is that you can tap the top bar to scroll up and see more of your tweets. And let me just kind of go in and show you about the tweets. You see across the top you see the avatar, which if you tap, it shows you both the mentions and the tweeter, and you can get their details. It'll show you where they live. You can tap the map of their address and just see a Google map. You can find any user by clicking the magnifying glass. You can start following them, send them a direct message or a reply. You can bookmark them, and a bunch of other neat stuff, like you can tap their picture and find their avatar, and you can even zoom in and pan, and later even save or copy that image. If you tap their name, that brings up the main options, like sending a link to Instapaper, or perhaps replying or copying the tweet, emailing right there in the app. If you tap the top bar, it'll go to the user detail. Now, when you tap the paperclip, it loads Twittelator Pro's internal browser. And again, you can zoom in, and here you'll see that Twittelator Pro is in the Wall Street Journal as one of the summer's hottest apps. There's more options there, and you can sure do a lot from our built-in web page. Now here's a trick. Just tap the time to instantly reply to somebody, and let's say you want to DM them, then you would just tap down here. You can instantly insert any hashtags just by tapping there. If you tap up here, you can get the map. You can bring up your draft panel. You can even change accounts instantly. You can find another friend you might want to bring up just by clicking the @ and as far as media, you can record audio right here on any iPhone or touch. You can record video on the 3GS, and you can even put in these wonderful emojis, or perhaps you're liking to speak Greek or Hebrew or whatever. And when you're ready to send, you can even save the message, send it as a draft, save it as a draft, or whatever. This time I'm not going to save it. Instead, I'm going to go right into showing you some of the deep features. Well, first of all, settings. There are so many things you can configure here. I really want you to go in and learn about them. Auto refresh, many different image services to choose from, find your favorite, and even you can upload your videos to YouTube through TwitVid. Many more settings. There's trends to look at, and the search is fantastic. It remembers your old searches, but you can also go in and do advanced searches. So remember, you can simply tap to scroll up, which is a fast way to read tweets. And there's so much more, but that's what I want to show you today. Take care.